Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Time now for the financial week. Alliance Financial Services Limited, a licensed remittance provider under the Sagicor Group, has signed a major partnership with global money transfer leader RIA. The deal gives Alliance access to RIA's over 631,000 locations in 200 countries, expanding options for Jamaicans to send and receive money worldwide. Already a key MoneyGram agent, AFSL now strengthens its position in the remittance market, offering even more flexibility to both online and in-branch customers. CEO Omar Brown says the move underscores the company's commitment to providing trusted and convenient services.
This is something that both our agents and our clients have been asking for us for some time. We're just happy that we are able to provide this service to them. RIA is one of the big three in terms of remittances. And so for our clients now, this is an additional opportunity, additional option for them to collect their monies from abroad.
Alliance currently operates 6 branches and supports nearly 100 agents island-wide with continued focus on digital growth. To the foreign exchange market now. Foreign exchange traded ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.52. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $119.09. The pound is going for $218.40, while the euro is selling for an average $192.99. The JC index advanced by 1,284 points, while the junior market index declined by 22 points. The winners include Iron Rock Insurance Company, Sterling Investments, Margaritaville Turks, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and Epley 7.25%. The losers included ISP Finance Services, MFS Capital Partners, RA Williams Distributors, Cygnus Credit Investments, and Spurtree Spices Jamaica. 26 stocks traded firm. The international news and our bite of the week are on next. Stay with us.